This is just a degen moment. Um, if you like gambling without going to the casino, I suggest you come into minswap on Cardano and cop yourself some of these meme coins that have been causing ruckus. Let me show you my recent trades. Got some ngmi, pepeblue, some snek. All right, take a look at the how much I decided to gamble with on snek. It was 125. All right, now let's go take a look at the trade. If I wanted to get out of snek right now, 125 at the point in time gave me 1,035,000 snek. All right, 125 right now is a 500,000. If I wanted to get out, that's about that's almost 100% increase on my gamble, and that was just last night, like around 12. So Cardano meme coins, let's go.